How to pay your YouTube TV bill. Managing your YouTube TV billing is straightforward. Here's how to handle payments and update your payment methods. Number 1, automatic monthly billing. YouTube TV charges your subscription fee automatically at the start of each billing cycle. Ensure your selected payment method has sufficient funds to avoid service interruptions. Number 2, accepted payment methods. Credit and debit cards. Major cards like Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. Google Pay. Link your bank account or card through Google Play. PayPal. Available in certain regions. Ensure your PayPal account is linked. Note, payment options may vary by country. Verify availability methods in your region. Number 3, updating payment information. Log into your YouTube TV account. Click on your profile picture and select Settings. Navigate to the Billing section. Click Update next to the payment method to modify or add a new payment option. Number 4, view billing history. In the billing section, review past transactions and charges. Click View next to any charge for detailed information. Number 5, troubleshooting payment issues. If a payment is declined, ensure your payment method details are correct and up to date. Contact your financial institution if issues persist.